Today I'll show you how we can use AI to cut our prescription costs by organizing our meds, checking cheaper pharmacies, finding coupons or programs, and prepping exact call scripts for your doctor, pharmacy, and insurer.
If your pharmacy total keeps creeping up, give me just 8 minutes. I'll show you how I use a free AI app to lower costs step by step without being techie. You'll organize your meds, compare prices, find discounts, and get what to say line by line to ask your doctor, pharmacy, and insurer for the cheapest, safe option. Here is our checklist. Number 1, make a clean medication list. Number 2, compare pharmacy prices. Number 3, look for coupons and assistance. Number 4, check your insurance rules. And number 5, prep line-by-line words for your doctor, pharmacy, and insurer. Grab your prescription bottles or your online list. Open your AI app and say, make a simple table of my medications with drug name, dose, how often, and why I take it. Leave personal details blank. AI turns that into a neat one-pager you can print or save. Next, ask AI to flag savings to discuss with your doctor. Generics, 90-day fills, mail order, or therapeutic alternatives in the same drug family. Only your doctor can approve a switch. AI just builds your question list. Prices can change a lot between pharmacies. Sometimes the cash price with a coupon beats insurance. Ask AI to generate a price check plan, which nearby pharmacies to call or check online, and exactly what to ask. I paste my zip code and the drug info. AI gives me a short call sheet. I call 2 grocery pharmacies and 1 big chain. And I ask them, what's your cash price for 30 tablets of this certain drug and type of strength? Do you accept discount cards? Is 90-day cheaper? If you use discount apps, screenshot the lowest price and bring it to the pharmacy. Many will match at the counter. Use licensed pharmacies you know and trust. Avoid sketchy websites. Brand name medications often have manufacturer coupons or patient assistance programs. Ask AI to find official options and draft a quick email. Now check plan rules, tiers, prior authorization, and preferred alternatives. Ask AI for a call guide so you sound confident. If your plan covers a cheaper preferred drug, AI will help you prep a note to your doctor to discuss switching or request an exception. This is where savings usually unlock. Ask AI to write 3 tiny scripts, 1 for your doctor message, 1 for the pharmacy counter, and 1 for your insurer. Bring your printed medication list and the cheapest quote you found to your pharmacy. And remember, be kind. Pharmacists are allies. Lay it out. Which option is cheapest and approved by your doctor? Pick one. Set a refill reminder in your phone and save these line-by-line words somewhere, like maybe in your notes app. So next month, it's just 2 taps. Okay, so let's recap. We need to write down a list of our medications. We need to compare pharmacies, hunt coupons, call your plan, and use line-by-line words with your doctor, pharmacy, and insurer. I made a 1-page prescription savings prompt sheet. Comment RX and I'll paste the exact line-by-line words and prompts. If medical lab results confuse you, watch my test results in plain English video next.